Well, we've just stopped for a quick break, and Matt's just found some air conditioning, and it's lovely, isn't it, mate? What have we let ourselves in for? Alright, back in a bit. Matt's somewhere over there, if you can see him. He just ran off and left us. Little ferret. You right there, Chris?
Not too bad, not too bad.
That's hard work. We took the wrong route already. We've first started off doing the blue one, which is the intense, and now we just found the white and yellow one. We're nearly at the bottom. Well, you'd know that is the bottom, but it's right through there somewhere. It's alright, Matt can run around a lot. And then when he gets up there, we'll go, because we had a break. Quiet, innit? What the fuck is that? No help. We're just out of the gate. Yeah, it does a bit. I'll tell you what, guys. Sweat. What's my camera? Oh, sending the ferret in the hole. You know what I'm going to do? What are you doing with your telly? Can you video on it as well? No. It's all new to me here. Did you have a look up there, Chris? Look at the pathways and stuff. Unless it's the easy hike. So we just had a look behind you where we just walked. Is it? What are you doing? Can you hear this? Look, Indiana Jones, eat your heart out. Indiana Jones, eat your heart out. Alright. He needs help. Right, we'll see in a bit. Lovely view, isn't it? I don't think I'm going to be going that way. You're right up there, Matt.
Yeah, I'm fine. I've got about 50 metre drop.
What, there?
Yeah.
I'll leave you up there on your own then. Careful. Well, to all you numbnuts in Campeo, it's ever so easy. You do it in 4 hours, righty-tidy. Look at the weather. Right. What we're going to do is get to the bottom, then we'll get the tarpaulin out. We're going to get wet. You're right there, Chris.
Am I?
Yeah, it's getting windy. We'll see you. Yeah. Well, it's caught us. It's raining. Matt's just ran off to look for a cave. You're out there, Chris.
Mate.
That's our emergency tarpaulin. We're not going to be out too long here showing you it. But as you can hear it. Oh, this is brilliant. Whose idea was this? Clean your sunglasses. Hey, Bobby.
Rain out my eyes, isn't it?
Is it? Here we are. We're back again. Now look at this. Look how clear it is. What rain. All the clouds are gone. I think we'll get up there tonight. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, it's filling up and all. Yeah, out the rainwater. It's all clever stuff, you know. That's a lovely view. See the fish nets out to sea there. So, very slippery. I haven't got a clue what the time is. We're stuck in a load of trees. We just got caught by heavy winds and torrential rain. And this is our bug out camping jobby. You are there, Matt? Having a bit of stew. It's going to be really uncomfy here tonight. Listen to it now. The clouds, the sky's looking a bit rough. It's like fucking it's that thing again. And we're stuck right on this is in between the big chunk what's missing out. We're in between the both. And Matt's over there talking to himself. And we've got more rain on the way. Oh, that is definitely coming over here. What a day to come hiking. Let's get it zoomed in. Right, nearly 8 o'clock. And we're all in sleeping bag. Who's got his pink one? He's got pink in his head. No. It's a bit too windy. What are you doing under there, Chris? I'll tell you. What are we doing here? About 10:07 in the morning. So we're down there. It's campaign.